caller on the line. Let's get Dan on the line. Dan from Miami Beach. What can I help you with, my friend?
Hi, Larry. How you doing?
I'm good, sir. What?
I got a question about the Dow Futures, the YM. I follow that closely.
Okay.
What I've noticed is it's the 20-min line I hear you talk about all the time. Is from the last couple of months, it's been in a downtrend, the 20-min line, but now it's over a couple of days or so. I'm wondering where you see like a buy point on a daily chart for that going forward here.
Well, we're up quite a bit this morning, so I can't buy on strength like this, but we're completing some pretty serious patterns in the Dow E-mini contract. I'll put this up in the room so you'll be able to see it. I think I've got this. Hold on one second here. It's the same pattern for all of these. The problem is that I've got to put the one up that there. I think this is the one. There we go. Here's the one. I'll bring it up. You can take a quick look at it. But we've got quite a few ABCD patterns up here at this 24,780 is a big number. Whether that's going to stop it or not, I'm not sure. But any pullback of 700 or 800 points in the Dow will most probably meet with really good support.
700-800 points. Okay.
Yeah, look at the ABCD structure as it gets down there, because that'll really tell you what your risk is because you just can't buy a 700-point drop in the Dow, because we've seen moves of more than 1,600 points since February on the downside. So it's not for the faint of heart. So look for that ABCD pattern to help you define where you want to be a buyer. That's the key. If you look at that chart we just posted, there were several different opportunities, where we had really nice Gartley patterns that you could have bought it. So those are the ones that I would really be suggestive of buying those, because those are the ones that are the least risk, because you know exactly where you are. Because if you break below those patterns, you really don't know where it's going to go, so you've got to step aside.
Yeah, I see. Well, that makes sense. Okay. So
hey, thanks for calling in. Yeah, please go ahead. Sure.
In terms of the gold contract, the downtrend line, it seems that it's the same downtrend line, the 20-min line, and the gold contract hasn't been able to get through it. It seems to be backing off again today. Where would you be a buyer of the gold contract?
Okay, Dan, that's a good. Where I would like to buy it and where I might have to buy it might two different things. But where I'd really like to buy it is at 1285. That would be equivalent to silver getting down to about 1510. That would wash out everybody that's been bullish over these last few months, and that would complete some major patterns. But frankly, I don't think gold's going to get much below 1330. That's just my guess. A lot of it's going to depend on what the U.S. dollar and the euro does, because those are linked, at the hip. In fact, when we're done here, in fact, I'll do it right now as we're talking. We got a break coming up, but I'll show you the relationship just last night in the gold and the euro. You'll be able to see that once the euro topped, the gold just absolutely, dropped. It dropped over, $10 an ounce as the euro was thing. I hope that helps, Dan.
Yeah, it does. I got to run. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks for calling.